In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the MyASUS app in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the MyASUS app is the essential hub for driver updates, battery health settings, and hardware diagnostics. And while it usually comes pre-installed, you can manually install it as well. So for MyASUS to actually talk to your hardware, you need the ASUS System Control Interface driver. So right-click the Start button and select Device Manager, like so, and then what you're going to do is expand system devices, which is going to be right here. It's going to show you all your system devices. Look for ASUS System Control Interface, and if it's missing, you got to go to the ASUS support website, which is going to look something like this, and then simply just go ahead and search your laptop model and download the driver from the software and utility section before the app is going to work. And you can also just do the standard install as well after you've done that. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Store like so, and then just go ahead at the very top and type in MyASUS. And then you're going to see the MyASUS application, which is completely free to download. And you're going to have to either press get or install. And once installed, open the app. And you have to log in with an ASUS account. But you can usually also skip this to access basic diagnostic tools. And that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through. And you might find something you didn't know about yet.